tiny rock chip in your windshield might not seem like much, but left untreated, it can quickly turn into a full windshield replacement. At InNOut, most windshield chip repairs take just 10 to 15 minutes, no appointment needed. Our expert technicians restore the strength of your windshield and help stop the crack from spreading even further. And with qualifying insurance, your repair could be completely free. Save time, save money. Protect your windshield before it's too late. Visit InNOut today.